Hey everyone, and welcome back to August YouTuber Marian, your ultimate destination for everything automotive, right here in the heart of East Java. Today, we're talking about two of Indonesia's most beloved and reliable family cars. If you're looking for practical car reviews and insights, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss out.
Today, we're diving into the world of the Toyota Avanza and its twin, the Daihatsu Xenia. These aren't just cars, they're household names, the backbone of many Indonesian families and businesses. For years, they've been synonymous with reliability, affordability, and incredible versatility. They're built to handle our roads, our families, and our daily grind. So, what's their secret to enduring popularity? First off, it's their 7-seater capacity, perfect for large families or carpooling with friends. Then there's the fuel efficiency, which is crucial for everyday use, especially with our daily commutes here in Median. They're also known for their robust build quality and easy maintenance, meaning spare parts are readily available and servicing won't break the bank. This makes them incredibly practical for long-term ownership. Let's talk features and specs. Both the Avanza and Xenia typically come with reliable 1.3L or 1.5L engines, offering a great balance of power and economy. Modern versions boast massive advancements. You'll find features like a responsive touchscreen infotainment system, power windows, and comfortable seating for all passengers. Safety has also been upgraded, with some models now featuring multiple airbags, ABS anti-lock braking system, and even vehicle stability control VSC, giving you more confidence on the road. The higher ground clearance is also a big plus for navigating various road conditions we often encounter. Whether you're doing the school run, heading to the market, or even taking a weekend trip with the entire family, the Avanza and Xenia are up to the task. They offer a comfortable ride, a surprising amount of cargo space with foldable seats, and the peace of mind that comes with owning a Toyota or Daihatsu. They truly represent great value for money and are perfect for daily use. So, there you have it, a closer look at the timeless appeal of the Toyota Avanza and Daihatsu Xenia. They continue to be excellent choices for anyone in Indonesia needing a practical, reliable, and affordable MPV. What are your thoughts on these two giants of the automotive world? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure you're subscribed to August YouTuber Marian for more awesome car reviews and automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.